So this year has been very exciting for us, especially in our learning journey. As we all know that Sabri has been very strong in student outcomes, which is quite evident in our external benchmark test results. But this year we wanted to do something special. And so what we did was do a little bit of revamping of our curriculum. And we've blended the NEP, which is of course from the NCERT framework, and the National Curriculum of England. And we have produced a curriculum which now follows a thematic learning. And so the children learn in a very cross-curricular, interdisciplinary manner, and they learn across a period of 6 blocks. So basically now the 2 terms are divided into a period of 45 days each, which comes to about 6 blocks. And at the end of each of these terms, the children produce a prototype, which again kind of links up with very important pedagogical approach that we have started, which is design thinking. As you all know, design thinking is not just an approach, it is also a mindset. And it helps the children to learn collaboratively. It obviously increases their problem solving skills, and it also helps them to develop their innovation skills. And so the children work on real life world problems and come up with some really creative approaches, creative designs, which then they test and they evaluate, and of course look at what better solutions they can get. Overall, the classroom now has become far more engaging, far more exciting for children to learn. There are plenty of opportunities, there are plenty of resources for the children to learn. And yes, we have also integrated the artificial intelligence into this very successfully, because we have a very successful running robotics curriculum, and the children have now started to use many robots, especially Quirky and a lot of other robots, and they are started to use these into their projects and come up with some really interesting and creative prototypes.